Hi friends, today I will explain one programming ADO.NET site. If you are using ADO.NET, we have to use namespace using system.data.sql client, and I have taken one form here like employee number, e-name, job, date of joining, salary, and add. One button is there. So whenever you have to add this button, you have to double click on this one. It will be open here. I have to return here like SQL connection equal to new SQL connection. I have give that server name dot user ID SA password 123 database name C sharp. So whatever you have your server name, your password, your user ID, you have to give your name here. You can enter your related here password here. So once it will done, I have to connection open. I am using try statement under I have to using connection open. I am using SQL command. SQL command com equal to new SQL command. I am inserting the values. My table name here emp info. This is my table name. I have to values. I have to insert here. Text boxes. 5 text boxes is there like this one. See here 5 labels is there, 5 text boxes is there, one button is there. So text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4, text box 5. So I have 5 text boxes is there. So based on that one I have to return code here like text box 1 dot text box, and I have to using text box 2 dot text box. I have 5 text boxes there. I have to return 5 text boxes here. After that, I am using command execute non-query, and I have to using message box show. Means once I have to add it, record will be saved. This logic I have to return here. So once it will done, that I am using dispose method. After that, I have to using catch statement here. So in the catch statement, I have to use exception even that message if I have to enter that employee number, for example, I have to enter 10. It's saved. If again I have to 10, it will be showing that message employee number already exists. So finally connection will be closed. So I am using like this one. This is the program I have. So means here SQL connection means I am using it, it is used to connect the .NET application with SQL server. Like I am using SQL connection equal to here. This is that variable name. That connection is variable name, and I have to using database like connection strings. This one, this is all got connection strings and SQL command. SQL command means it is used to execute any SQL command or store procedure like SQL command. I am using that variable name and new SQL command that SQL statement or SQL connection variable. And I am using here execute non-query. Execute non-query, it is used to means it used to execute action and non-action queries. Like action queries means insert, update, delete command. Non-action means it can use the select statement. Return type is here int. Based on that one you have to use this one. And here in that server I am using here a user dot means server equal to localhost. Means if .NET application and SQL server are in one system, then localhost is used, and .NET applications will communicate with SQL server in the same system. If .NET application and SQL server are in different system, then SQL server name should be given. I am using open method also here. Like if open method, this if I am using this one SQL connection class you use to open the database connection, so that's why tables in the database can be accessed. I am using here dispose method also here. Dispose method SQL command class is used to so delete variable or object from memory. Close means this SQL connection is used to close the database connection. So this is the example of ADO.NET. If you have any doubts, please comment me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.